Welcome back. Today we are taking luxury to a new level with this royal collection. We've kept the classic white base, but transformed the crochet details into a rich, deep green. It's sophisticated, bold, and perfect for those who want their bedroom to feel like a palace.
This is the ultimate color lover's dream. The spring garden gingham fuses two incredible techniques. We have a green and white checkered tapestry crochet base, which is a perfect backdrop for the most detailed dimensional crochet roses and leaf appliques in pink, yellow, and lavender. It's all framed by our signature layered crochet ruffles and cream lace borders, creating a fresh, artistic masterpiece. Step into a world of handmade luxury. This breathtaking full bedroom crochet set in deep red and white with stunning 3D roses, delicate white lace, and scalloped edges is the most romantic and elegant bedroom you will ever see. This gloriously vibrant sunshine yellow handmade crochet bedding set with stunning flat rose bouquets in rich red, pink, and golden tones, delicate butterfly details, and dramatic triple ruffle skirt is the most joyful and cheerful bedroom set your hands will ever have the pleasure of creating. This sophisticated magnolia crochet bedroom, set with giant, creamy 3D blooms and glossy green leaves, brings the timeless elegance of a southern magnolia garden straight into your most beautiful bedroom. This gloriously joyful sunflower festival crochet bedroom, set with rows of giant golden 3D sunflowers and warm harvest tones, fills your entire bedroom with pure sunshine and happiness every single day. The serene and ethereal cherry blossom crochet bedroom set with delicate 3D sakura petals, falling like snow across pure white and blush pink, is the most peacefully beautiful bedroom your soul will ever rest in. This breathtakingly elegant ivory and royal purple handmade crochet bedding, set with dramatic, large, flat purple roses, bold golden leaves, and delicate scattered pink blooms across every surface, is pure, sophisticated handmade luxury that transforms any bedroom into a truly regal and romantic sanctuary. This absolutely magical blush pink handmade crochet bedding, set with hundreds of colorful flat butterflies dancing across every surface, and bold hot pink border and ruffle skirt, is the most whimsical and joyfully feminine bedroom set your hands will ever bring to life, stitch by beautiful stitch. This gorgeous sky blue handmade crochet bedding, set with delicate flat pink peony motifs, beautiful vase designs, and dreamy double ruffle skirt, is the freshest and most elegant bedroom look you will ever crochet with your own hands. Stitch by stitch, love by love. This breathtakingly romantic blush, pink and crimson crochet bedroom, set with dreamy watercolor rose bouquets, dramatic satin ribbon bow, and cascading ruffled pillows, is the most impossibly beautiful and feminine bedroom your heart has ever desired. This breathtaking slate gray handmade crochet bedding set with a wild garden of tiny, flat pink, yellow, blue, and lavender wildflowers blooming across every surface is the most uniquely beautiful and elegantly handcrafted bedroom set you will ever fall completely in love with. This whimsical lavender and mustard yellow crochet bedroom, set with impressionist floral stitches and giant sunflower blooms, feels like sleeping inside the most beautiful painting you have ever seen. This wild poppy field crochet bedroom, set with dramatic scarlet 3D poppies, cascading across every surface, feels like waking up inside a breathtaking summer meadow every single morning. This dreamy, dusty rose and gold crochet bedroom, set with stunning 3D peonies and antique gold lace details, is pure romantic luxury in every single stitch. This stunning white and lavender crochet bedroom, set with bold purple chevron borders, gorgeous 3D rose centerpiece, and rustic log cabin backdrop, is the most magical and cozy handmade bedroom you will ever dream of. This dreamy sage green crochet bedroom, set with golden 3D roses, delicate cream lace panels, and vintage carved headboard, is the most beautiful cottagecore bedroom you have ever seen. Pure, handmade magic. Bring the ocean home with this breathtaking blue and white crochet bedroom set. Wave stitches, starfish motifs, and crisp white lace make it the most refreshing bedroom you have ever seen. This soft mint and peach crochet bedroom, set with delicate cherry blossom details and fresh rattan accents, is the most light and airy handmade bedroom of your dreams. This rich chocolate brown crochet bedroom, set with golden sunflowers and warm autumn tones, wraps your bedroom in the coziest, most comforting handmade hug. This bold slate blue and burnt orange crochet bedroom, set with Moroccan mandala patterns and wild marigold blooms, is the most fearlessly beautiful boho bedroom you will ever lay eyes on. This soft butter yellow crochet bedroom, set with stunning fan stitch waves, delicate scalloped borders, and sweet 3D rose details, is the most elegant and cozy handmade bedroom you will ever fall in love with.
This jaw-dropping ivory and black crochet bedroom set, with bold geometric lace and dramatic 3D gardenias, is high-fashion, handmade art that completely redefines luxury bedroom style. Check out this cozy lavender garden gingham look. It blends our favorite checkered patterns with floral sweetness. The base is a tight, clean lavender and white tapestry crochet gingham, making a fresh foundation. In the center, we have a delicate flat-stitch amethyst purple floral wreath. What makes it pop are these deep amethyst ruffles, using a textured basket weave crochet stitch, which adds incredible depth and structure across this cozy room. Ready for a truly majestic set? This royal red and cream combination uses the most intricate stitches. We have a cream tapestry crochet paisley pattern, which is framed by these deeply ruched red panels that look like velvet, all done in a tight bobble stitch for rich texture. The cream lace borders are massive and detailed, giving it that Shahi royal finish. This sleek and modern steel gray handmade crochet bedding set, with crisp white scattered triangle motifs across every surface, brings the cleanest, most effortlessly stylish Scandinavian bedroom look to life, completely by hand. Modern art you can actually sleep in. This absolutely fresh and elegant sage green handmade crochet bedding set, with delicate tulip motifs dancing across sheer ruffle skirts, cream frill edges, and golden piping trim, is the most softly beautiful and dreamy bedroom you will ever create with your own loving hands. Pure handmade perfection, stitch by stitch. This stunning tropical hibiscus crochet bedroom set with beautifully detailed flat hibiscus and palm leaf motifs in hot coral and tropical green brings the paradise vibes of Hawaii right into your bedroom in the most elegantly handcrafted way. This absolutely magical wisteria crochet bedroom set, with hundreds of tiny 3D lilac florets cascading like a living flower curtain, is the most romantically enchanting bedroom ever created. This enchanting forest green and copper crochet bedroom set, with wild botanical stitches, 3D mushrooms and moss roses, brings the magic of an enchanted woodland forest right into your bedroom. This dramatic burgundy and champagne crochet bedroom set, with show-stopping dahlia flowers and moody jewel-toned ambiance, is pure old-world opulence in every single stitch. If you want a floral touch without it being too complicated, try this. A solid light green bedspread with a simple yet vibrant repeating tulip flower border worked into the base fabric. It's minimalist, elegant, and gives your room a very fresh, peaceful feel. This is pure elegance. The cherry blossom branch features a smooth, light gray base with a delicate, flat crochet cherry blossom design directly worked into the fabric. The technique used is smooth stitchwork, giving it a minimalist, art-like finish that is very easy on the eyes and very realistic. Witness this trendy daisy checkerboard fusion. We've combined a simple green and white checkered tapestry crochet base with flat, cute daisy flowers applied in the centers of the checks. It's colorful, fun, and creates a fresh, artistic masterpiece in a cozy, full-room setting. Finally, for my dreamers out there, we have the vintage lavender amethyst set. This design is pure romance. We've combined soft lavender checks with deep amethyst ruffles and vintage-style cream lace. The tiny hand-crocheted roses along the border make it feel like a historical treasure. It's soft, ethereal, and incredibly peaceful.